In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the time zone in Google Sheets so your dates and times always match the location you need. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Then go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Settings. This is where all the important behind-the-scenes options are stored. Once the Settings window opens, you'll land on the General tab. Look for the time zone option. It usually shows your current setting like GMT or a specific city. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a full list of time zones from around the world. Scroll through and choose the one that matches your location or the region you're working with. Be careful here because some time zones look similar but have different offsets. After selecting the correct time zone, click Save Settings. Your sheet may refresh for a moment, which is completely normal. Now your spreadsheet is updated. Any functions like now or today will reflect the new time zone instantly, and your timestamps will stay accurate going forward. This is especially important when working with schedules, teams in different countries or time-based data. That's it. You now know how to change the time zone in Google Sheets and keep all your data perfectly aligned with the correct time.